Hi Lana, greetings from your Ninang Ivy from Kirkland Lake in Canada. We wish you a happy birthday, and here are your friends, Raphael, Sebastian, and Tito Jess, who will also say happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Sebastian?
Happy birthday.
Okay, Tito Jess.
Happy birthday, Lana!
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. To you, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lana. Happy birthday to you.
Hey Lana, happy birthday. Hope you have the most amazing fun, super duper special day. Keep being the amazing girl you are, and let's have a sleepover next time.
Happy birthday, Lana. We hope you enjoy your special day and you and your family are safe always. Happy birthday.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lana. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Lana. I hope you enjoy your birthday. We miss hanging out with you guys. I pray that you be given a very, very good year this year and more good health and all your wishes come true. What's your wish for Lana?
More books.
More books.
What's your wish for Lana?
More books.
More books for you from Ramses. What's your wish, Rolana?
Have fun? No, more books.
Say have fun.
Have fun.
We love you. Bye.
Hi Lana, just wanted to wish you a happy 7th birthday. Your Tito Ian and I are sorry that we couldn't be there to celebrate this very special day with you, but we hope you're having lots of fun, you're eating yummy cake, and you're doing all the things you love. Don't forget to thank your mom and dad for throwing this very special Disney princess themed birthday party. Sending you lots of love from Doha, Qatar, and Sydney, Australia. Be a good girl and stay smart, and hope to see you soon. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Lana! You know you're growing up to be very kind, respectful, beautiful, and intelligent little girl. You know, I have a secret to tell you. You always make me smile and you make me happy whenever your daddy and mommy post FB stories about you. So, I'm sorry I can't be there on your birthday celebration, but I hope to see you in Manila. Happy birthday! Bye-bye!
Hi Lana, happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Ninong Erwin here. Happy birthday, happy 7th birthday, and I hope that you're having fun right now. And I'm praying good health and happiness. And I'm looking forward to all the achievements that will come to your way. Please know that Ninong Erwin is always here for you, cheering for you. And always pray at night, ask for guidance, and always listen to your mom and dad. They know what's best for you. Again, this is your Ninong Erwin. Happy birthday! See you soon! Bye!
Hi Lana, happy birthday. This is your Ninang Nins. I have the same name with your mommy. I would just like to say that you are so lucky and so blessed to have um, wonderful parents because they're giving everything for you because you are really a princess. We wish you good health and continue to be a blessing to others, to be loving and continue to share your joy and happiness to the people around you. We love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Lana.
May all your birthday wishes come true.
Wishing you a day filled with joy and laughter. Cheers to another year of life. Happy birthday from Bicol with love.
Happy birthday, Lana! Anong wish mo? Wish 1075. Joke lang!
Ang wish namin para sa'yo ay we wish that you will cherish every bit of experience you had in Palawan with your family.
We also wish that you and your family will and continue to enjoy and have a great time together, whether it be at Palawan, at home, or any other place.
We hope that you have a wonderful time at Palawan, and I hope that you enjoy the food and your gifts.
We hope to see you again soon.
Again, happy
Happy birthday, Lana!